Welcome to the start of your next great adventure. Whether you're preparing for your very first voyage or you're a seasoned pro with dozens of sailings under your belt, today we're pulling back the curtain on the embarkation process. We're coming to you from the iconic Canada Place in Vancouver, British Columbia, capturing the entire embarkation journey in near real time. Now, keep in mind, the Grand Princess has a capacity of 2,600 passengers, but today, we're going to show you how we went from our rideshare drop-off to stepping onto the ship in just 12 minutes. While every port has its own local flair, the steps we're about to show you are the standard blueprint for Princess Cruises terminals worldwide. So, have your passport handy, and let's get on board. As soon as we stepped out of our rideshare, the efficiency of the terminal staff really kicked in. The porters were right there at the curb, ready to assist. They greeted us with a smile, immediately tagged our larger suitcases, and whisked them away to be delivered directly to our stateroom. It's such a relief to offload your heavy gear right at the start, so you can navigate the terminal with just your carry-on bag and your boarding documents, making sure the transition from the street to the ship is seamless. These hardworking folks provide a valuable service to kickstart your vacation, so don't forget to have a few dollars ready to tip them for their efforts. Before you even arrive at the terminal, there is one crucial step you don't want to skip: the online check-in. Usually available about 60 days prior to your departure, this process is your ticket to a stress-free arrival. One of the good things to come out of the pandemic has been a much more streamlined and efficient embarkation process across the industry, although all cruise lines have gotten better. In my experience, Princess is the leader by far. By using the Princess Cruises app, you handle the paperwork from the comfort of your couch, uploading your security photo, scanning your passport, and setting up your Medallion Pay account. Completing these steps isn't just a formality. It places you on the fast track to vacation mode. Now that we're fully checked in and ready to go, watch just how seamless this entire process becomes. Now, let's talk about the star of the show, your Princess Medallion. This tiny device is your room key, your boarding pass, and your payment method all rolled into one. You have two ways to get your hands on it. The first is having it shipped directly to your home before you leave. This is a great way to arrive at the terminal, as Princess calls it, OceanReady. Currently, there is a $20 shipping fee per stateroom for US residents. If you're traveling from Canada, that shipping fee is $25 US. Alternatively, if you prefer to save on shipping, or if you live outside of the US and Canada, where home delivery isn't currently an option, you can simply pick up your medallion at the terminal for free. It only takes a few extra minutes, and the staff will have you set up and on your way in no time. Either way, once that medallion is in your hand, you're officially ready to step on board. While having that medallion show up at your front door is exciting, I'll let you in on my personal preference. I actually prefer picking mine up at the terminal. Despite what you might think, it didn't slow us down one bit. In fact, it added no more than 3 minutes to an already incredibly speedy embarkation process. Not only did it save me that $20 shipping fee, but it also meant there was one less vital item I had to worry about forgetting or losing during my travels to the port. If you're looking to keep things simple and keep a few extra dollars in your pocket for a cocktail on deck, Picking it up at the check-in desk is a fantastic, stress-free option. Once you've got your medallion, it's time to move through the customs and immigration area. It is important to remember that these positions are staffed by government agents, not the cruise line. So while they are professional and polite, they are all business. The good news? The process has become incredibly high-tech. Most of the time, you'll be subjected to a simple biometric face scan. It's as easy as walking up and looking into a tablet for a split second. It's remarkably quick and keeps the line moving steadily. However, technology can have its moments, and in some cases, an officer may still need to physically inspect your documents. Keep your passport handy just in case, but otherwise, expect to breeze through this section in record time. Once you've cleared customs, you'll head into the final security screening. If you've ever been through an airport, this will feel very familiar, but generally speaking, it is much quicker and a lot less invasive. This is the moment we've all been waiting for, the walk up the gangway. As you transition from the terminal to the promenade deck, the excitement in the air is palpable. You've done the planning, you've navigated the travel to the pier, and you've breezed through the terminal maze and the government red tape. Now, all that's left to do is hear that iconic ding as your medallion is scanned for the first time. The ship's crew is waiting with a smile. The music is playing, and your vacation has officially begun. Welcome aboard. It's time to relax, explore, and enjoy the ride. Thanks for joining us on Embarkation Day. We hope this walkthrough makes your next trip to the pier even smoother. If you found these tips helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Our adventure aboard the beautiful Grand Princess is just getting started, so check back soon for ship tours, dining reviews, and all the highlights from the high seas. Until then, happy sailing!